Hey, it's Becky, the drummer's girlfriend. I know how it's been going. You've wasted hours of rehearsals talking about getting your band online. You've watched other bands post one half decent or worse clip, and suddenly they're booked every weekend. Here's a quick recap of the quickest way to stop talking about it and actually get your band online and start promoting it. Don't forget, all of this is available in my free Get Your Band Online in 5 Days checklist. Grab it now and come back to follow along. Step 1. Pick one place to live online. Do not create 5 accounts. Don't try to be everywhere. Pick one digital home like a Reverb Nation account, Facebook page, one page website, and maybe YouTube if you've got enough quality video footage. Step 2. Add the essential band info. You need 5 pieces of information. If you do nothing else today, do this. Add your band name, your genre, your location, a clear photo, and your contact info. These 5 things make your digital foundation. Without them, potential venues and fans cannot figure out who you are or how to reach you. Don't bury your contact information. Put it where anyone can see it immediately, and probably best to put it in more than one spot to make sure people see it. Step 3, upload one decent photo and one simple clip. Not 10 photos, not a full gallery, one clear photo where the band looks like they belong together. Don't panic about quality yet. Just choose the best of what you already have. Then upload one live clip. It can be from your phone. It can be 30 seconds. It doesn't need studio sound. Bars and festivals simply want to see what you look and sound like. That one clip can get you more gigs than a year of talking about making a proper video. Step 4, add the next gig date if you have one. If you have something coming up, even if it's small, put it on your page. It proves that your band is active. It gives you a reason to send people to your online home, and it signals to bookers that you are booking shows, not just sitting there. If you don't have a gig yet, no problem. Skip this step for now and come back to it when you can. Step 5, share your new online home with the people who already know you. Band members, friends, spouses, coworkers, your fans, and the cousin that always wants to help. Let them know your online page exists. Not in a pushy way, don't be annoying. Just a simple message saying, hey, we're finally online and this is where you can find us. This gives your page an initial bump, but it also means that it's not just sitting there empty. People will start talking and getting excited. If you want the simplest, fastest possible way to get your band online, grab the free checklist today. It walks you through everything we just talked about in short steps with hopefully zero confusion. Whether you're starting from scratch or cleaning up what you already have, this checklist is going to make it a lot easier. The link's below. Start there, and you can actually get this done before the end of the day, but if you don't have time today, for sure by the end of the week. Your band is finally going to be findable, bookable, and ready for more opportunities. You handle the music. I'll keep helping you handle the part that no musician, or who are we kidding, their girlfriends want to deal with.